Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a soufflé cake. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for optimal mixing. Separate 4 large eggs, placing the whites in a clean, dry bowl. Prepare your cake pan by lightly greasing and flouring it, then line the bottom with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for baking. Now let's create the rich cake batter. In a bowl, whisk the egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick. Gradually fold in 1/4 cup of sifted flour, ensuring no lumps remain. Next, gently stir in 2 tablespoons of melted butter, blending it completely. This forms the foundational base for your light and airy soufflé cake. The meringue is crucial for a soufflé's signature texture. Beat your egg whites until soft peaks appear, then slowly add 1/4 cup of sugar, continuing to beat until stiff, glossy peaks form. This creates a stable meringue. Carefully fold about 1/3 of this meringue into your yolk batter to lighten it, preparing for the final mix. Finally, gently fold the rest of the meringue into the batter, being careful not to deflate it. Pour the mixture into your prepared 6-inch cake pan. Bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely before dusting with powdered sugar. Enjoy your perfectly light and delicious soufflé cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.